everyone. My name is Jyotika and I'm an associate at Dialezee. In this video, I'll be talking about the nuclear tests case 1974. The subject matter of the case was unilateral declarations as a source of international law. The facts were, on 9th May 1973, Australia and New Zealand separately started actions against France about nuclear weapon tests that France planned to conduct in the South Pacific region's atmosphere. France indicated that it believed the court lacked jurisdiction and did not present at the public sessions for file any pleas. At the request of the Pacific nations, the court issued two orders on 22nd June 1973 indicating, among other things, that France should refrain from conducting nuclear tests that would result in radioactive fallout over Australian or New Zealand territory while the case was being heard. By two judgments given on 20th December 1974, the court determined that the application of New Zealand and Australia no longer had any aim and that it was thus not required to rule on them. In doing so, the court relied on the finding that Australia and New Zealand's goal had been met because France had indicated in different public declarations its determination to conduct no additional atmospheric nuclear tests following the end of the 1974 series. The issue arose was, may a unilateral proclamation have the effect of generating legal obligations? The holding of the court was, declaration made through unilateral acts may have the effect of creating legal obligations. French minister has made a statement before the UNGA. Press and PM had also made public statements. The defense minister also made a statement on TV. International Court of Justice took the first three statements together to mean that France had given an undertaking, not only to Australia and New Zealand, to not conduct an atmospheric nuclear test. The statements were made publicly, which applies to the international community. It was identified as state policy. It was not made in response specifically to Australia and New Zealand. Now, I'll be winding up this video, and if any of you has any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.